Assalamu alaikum class 2. Hopefully you all will be fine. Today we are going to start fraction. This is your mathematics class. The new chapter is going to start, that is chapter number 13. Alright students. So come to the introduction of the fraction. What is the fraction? Actually fraction has two parts. The upper one is numerator and the downward term is denominator. Alright. And you can say the upper part is showing you how many colored part in a fraction, and the inner denominator you can say how many total number of parts are there in any figure which are converted into equal parts. Alright, this is the first shape I have just given to you. One half of the circle means one part is colored and the other part is not colored, so the total number of parts are 2, that is in downward, and the upper part is showing the colored part. Alright, the numerator and denominator. Now come to the another example in which the 2/3 of the rectangle. In a rectangle, two parts are shaded and two parts are not shaded. It is 2/4, not the 2/3. Alright. Now come to the third one. 3/4 of the square. 3/4 of the square means again how many parts are colored? 3 parts are colored and total parts are 4. Alright. In this way you can say the fractions are converted into colored and total number of parts. Now come to the page number 223. In this page they are showing you cut the cake into two equal parts. Are you seeing the equal parts? So it means half. When the cutting any object into two equal parts, it will become half. Alright. So one half of a square, one half of circle, one half of anything which you are going to be cut. Now come to the another thing, quarter. What is the meaning of quarter? If you are cutting anything into 4 equal parts, so the first one out of 4 you can say the equal parts of the quarter.